Hi students, hearty welcome to RISE, Ramu's Institute of Spoken English. My dear students, ఈ వీడియోలో మనం చూడబోతున్నాం, నేర్చుకోబోతున్నాం బుక్ నంబర్ 31 యాంటోనిమ్స్ ఆపోజిట్ వర్డ్స్ అని కూడా అర్థం చేసుకోవచ్చు. యాంటోనిమ్స్ ఆపోజిట్ వర్డ్స్ ఈ వీడియో ద్వారా నేర్చుకునే ప్రయత్నం చేస్తున్నాం. కాబట్టి మీ దగ్గర ఉండేటువంటి బుక్ నంబర్ 31 చేతిలో ఉంచుకొని ఈ వీడియోను చూస్తూ ప్రతిదీ బైహెడ్ చేస్తూ కూడా నేర్చుకునే ప్రయత్నం చేయండి. ఇవి కాంపిటిటివ్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్స్ లో చాలా ఉపయోగపడేటువంటి సబ్జెక్ట్. ఇవి బైహెడ్ చేయాలి, కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేయాలి, రిమెంబర్ గుర్తుంచుకోవడం కూడా చాలా అవసరం. కాబట్టి ఐ విష్ యూ ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్. ఓకేనా ఫ్రెండ్స్, కమ్ ఆన్ లెట్ us స్టార్ట్. రిటన్ అండ్ ఎడిటెడ్ బై డిహెచ్ రాము, సెల్ నంబర్ 9390495239. డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, లాస్ట్ పార్ట్లో పేజ్ నెంబర్ 6 బుక్ నెంబర్ 31 పేజ్ నెంబర్ 6లో బీకు సంబంధించినటువంటి పదాలన్నీ మనం నేర్చుకోవడం జరిగింది. ఇప్పుడు ఈ భాగంలో సికు సంబంధించినటువంటి పదాలను, వాటికి సంబంధించినటువంటి యాంటోనిమ్స్ పదాలను నేర్చుకునే ప్రయత్నం చేద్దాం. అయితే సి నుంచి జాగ్రత్తగా అర్థం చేసుకునే ప్రయత్నం చేయండి. క్యాజువల్ యాంటోనిమ్స్ డాంపెన్, dissuade. Casual antonyms dampen, dissuade. Calamity antonyms peace, joy, pleasure, tranquility. Peace, joy, pleasure, tranquility. Calculate antonyms suppose, imagine. Calculate antonyms suppose, imagine. Calm antonyms disturb, excite, perturb. Calm antonyms disturb, excite, perturb. Cancel antonyms ratify, establish, confirm. Cancel antonyms ratify, establish, confirm. అలాగే 7th పేజీకి రండి. కెపాసిటీ antonyms inability, incapability, incompetence. Inability, incapability, incompetence. Capacity antonyms inability, incapability, incompetence. Capture antonyms release, liberate, free, acquit. Release, liberate, free, acquit. Capture antonyms release, liberate, free, acquit. Care. Antonyms: neglect, carelessness. Neglect, carelessness. Care. Antonyms: neglect, carelessness. Caress. Caress. Antonyms: provoke, molest, annoy. Provoke, molest, annoy. Caress. Antonyms: provoke, molest, annoy. Carry. Antonyms: drop, leave, abandon. Drop, leave, abandon. Carry. Antonyms: drop, leave, abandon. Casualty. Casualty. Antonyms: adventure, design. Casualty. Antonyms: adventure, design. Catching. Catching. Antonyms: unpleasant, ugly, unattractive, repellent. Catching. Antonyms: unpleasant, ugly, unattractive, repellent. Caution. Caution. Antonyms: carelessness, neglect, disrespect. Caution. Antonyms: carelessness, neglect, disrespect. Seize. Seize. Antonyms: continue, pursue, start, carry on. Seize. Antonyms: continue, pursue, start, carry on. Celebrated. Antonyms: unnoticed, unknown, unnoted. Celebrated. Antonyms: unnoticed, unknown, unnoted. Celibacy. Celibacy. Antonyms: marriage, union. Celibacy. Antonyms: marriage, union. Central. Central. Antonyms: remote, inaccessible. Inaccessible. Central. Antonyms: remote, inaccessible. Certain. 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 Antonyms: doubtful, uncertain, indefinite. Doubtful, uncertain, indefinite. Certain. Antonyms: doubtful, uncertain, indefinite. Change. Change. Antonyms: fix, hold fast, stand, maintain, sustain. Change. Antonyms: fix, hold fast, stand, maintain, sustain. Course. Course. CHAOS. Course. Antonyms: order, organization, government. Course, order, organization, government. Charity. Charity. Antonyms: greed, selfish, meanness. Greed, selfish, meanness. Charity, greed, selfish, meanness. Chase. Chase. Antonyms: withdraw, leave, forsake. Withdraw, leave, forsake. Chase. Antonyms: withdraw, leave, forsake. Cheap. Cheap. Antonyms: costly, dear, expensive. Costly, dear, expensive. Cheap. Antonyms: costly, dear, expensive. Cheat. Cheat. Antonyms: just, true, fair. Just, true, fair. Cheat. Antonyms: just, true, fair. Check. 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 Antonyms: hasten, quickness, hurry, speedy. Hasten, quickness, hurry, speedy. Check. Hasten, quickness, hurry, speedy. Cheer. Cheer. Depreciate, cheerless, sad. Cheer. Antonyms: depreciate, cheerless, sad. Chief. Chief. Antonyms: subordinate, subordinate, inferior, junior, servant. Subordinate, inferior, junior, servant. Chief. Antonyms: subordinate, inferior, junior, servant. Chilly. Chilly. Antonyms: warmth, warmth. Chilly. Warmth. Chilly. Antonyms: warmth. Choice. 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 Antonyms: rejection, refusal, denial. Rejection, refusal, denial. Choice. Rejection, refusal, denial. Choke. Choke. Antonyms: freshen, oxygenate. Choke. Antonyms: freshen, oxygenate. Choose. Choose. Antonyms: reject, discard, renounce. refuse, antonyms reject, discard, renounce. Circulate, circulate, antonyms repress, hush, silence, quieted. Repress, hush, silence, quieted. Circulate, antonyms repress, hush, silence, quieted. Claim, claim, antonyms drop, forgo, renounce. Drop, forgo, renounce. Claim, antonyms drop, forgo, renounce. Clean, clean, antonyms pollute, dirty, unclean, defile, corrupt. Clean, antonyms pollute, dirty, unclean, defile, corrupt. Clear, antonyms clear, clear, antonyms blurred, confused, dim, foggy, vague. Blurred, confused, dim, foggy, vague. Clear, antonyms blurred, confused, dim, foggy, vague. Clever, antonyms foolish, dull, stupid. Clever, antonyms foolish, dull, stupid. Cloudy, antonyms bright, clean, cloudless, sunny. Cloudy, antonyms bright, clean, cloudless, sunny. Clumsy, clumsy, antonyms neat, clever, skillful. Clumsy, neat, clever, skillful. Clutch, antonyms release, liberate. Clutch, antonyms release, liberate. Coarse, coarse, antonyms refined, polished, polite, civilized. Coarse, antonyms refined, polished, polite, civilized. Coherence, coherence, antonyms isolation, incoherence, incoherence, disunity, disunity. Coherence, antonyms isolation, incoherence, disunity. Cold, antonyms hot, warm, passionate. Cold, antonyms hot, warm, passionate. Collect, antonyms scatter, spared, distribute. Scatter, spared, distribute. Collect, antonyms scatter, spared, distribute. Combat, combat, Antonyms: peace, agreement, concord. Peace, agreement, concord. Combat. Antonyms: peace, agreement, concord. Comfort, comfort. Antonyms: discomfort, agitation, unrest. Comfort. Antonyms: discomfort, agitation, unrest. Command, command. Antonyms: obey, submit, comply. Command. Antonyms: obey, submit, comply. Common, common. Antonyms: uncommon, extraordinary, unusual. Uncommon, extraordinary, unusual. Common. Antonyms: uncommon, extraordinary, unusual. Companion, companion, companion. Antonyms: enemy, foe, rival. Companion. Antonyms: enemy, foe, rival. Company. Antonyms: company. Antonyms: isolated, single, alone, individual. Isolated, single, alone, individual. Company. Antonyms: isolated, single, alone, individual. Comparison, comparison. Antonyms: contrast, difference. Comparison. Antonyms: contrast, difference. Compassion, compassion. Antonyms: cruelty, savagery, barbarity. Cruelty, savagery, barbarity. Compassion, cruelty, savagery, barbarity. Compel. Antonyms: compel. Antonyms: induce, attract, acquit, leave. Induce, attract, acquit, leave. Compel. Antonyms: induce, attract, acquit, leave.